The question says identify the functional groups in the following compound. Okay, in the given compounds we have to find out the number of functional group present. Okay, let me take the first compound. We have the benzene ring, and to the benzene ring we have a CHO group, that is aldehyde group. We got one functional group. Okay, this is what aldehyde group. We have aldehyde. Aldehyde is there. Okay, next we have OH. Okay, OH. So this is what hydroxyl group. This is what we have hydroxyl group is there. Hydroxyl group is there. Okay, good. And we have, it is O, and O ame is what, nothing but methyl group. Let's mention. Okay, so you can see this is what ether group is there. Ether. So this is what ether group is there. So three functional group are present. Aldehyde, ether and hydroxyl group. Move on to the next one. We have a benzene ring. To the benzene ring you can see NH2 is there. NH2. This is what amine group. Amine. And what kind of amine? This is primary amine. Keep in mind, nitrogen having 2 hydrogen primary amine, nitrogen having 1 hydrogen secondary amine, nitrogen having no hydrogen will be tertiary amine. Okay, then here we have C double O and it is O is there, something like, if we have C double O and it is O is there, okay, and then this side also carbon, this side also carbon, so this will go in the ester form. Ester is there. Okay, it is ester, like you might have learned, it is RCOOR is there. So you can see this there, this side also carbon, this side also carbon, it will lead to, okay, it will lead to ester. So this part we got as a ester. Ester is there. Okay, because here also carbon and this side also carbon. We have CH2, 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 and then we have nitrogen. To the nitrogen further you can see 2 ethyl group are attached. 2 ethyl group. So you can see in this case nitrogen is there and 2 is alkyl group are attached, but nitrogen does not carry any hydrogen. So obviously it is amine. But what kind of amine? Since it does not have any hydrogen, this nitrogen does not have any hydrogen, then we can say it is what, tertiary amine. So in this case also how many functional group are present? Primary amine, tertiary amine, then ester group is present. Okay, ester group. 3 functional group are present. For the more space we can move on to the, let me remove this information. Then we have the third one. So benzene ring is there, benzene ring. Okay, and then we have the carbon chain, CH double bond CH is there. You can see we got unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, double bond is there. So double bond. Okay, double bond. So this is also a functional group. Double bond, a triple bond, part of functional group. Okay, and then we have NO2. Of course, NO2 is also a functional group. Okay, so this is nitro group is there, and this is what, unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is double bond is there. So in this case we are getting 2 functional group. Okay, in this case 3 functional group, primary amine, ester and tertiary amine. In this case 3 functional group. This is aldehyde, alcohol, and this is what, ether. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.